Hey drone friends, this is Adam at UAV Coach and Drone Pilot Ground School. Happy Friday morning and welcome to our Drone Weekly News Roundup. I have 4 stories to share with you this week. Our first story covers exciting news for recreational drone pilots. For years, only commercial drone pilots have been able to use LAANC, or Low Altitude Authorization and Notification Capability, to get instant airspace authorization to fly drones near airports. In October 2021, the FAA added the ability to get instant permission to fly at night for commercial pilots. But now, recreational pilots can also get permission to fly at night using LAANC. The FAA also announced that they have divided the national airspace into smaller segments, which provides drone pilots with more areas to fly in. Our next story dives into some really exciting news. BRINC is an American developer and manufacturer of technology that just released its next generation drone, the LEMUR 2, yesterday. It is specifically designed to enable public safety professionals and law enforcement to survey dangerous areas before possibly sending a person in. BRINC started its mission in 2019 when they started developing products that address major challenges in American public safety. The LEMUR 2 has some pretty awesome features, such as the BRINC Autonomy Engine, where the drone's onboard LiDAR sensor can create 3D maps of its surroundings in real time. It also has an obstacle awareness system that adjusts speed around objects while still giving complete control to the drone operator. It doesn't rely on light or GPS systems, and it can provide 2D floor plans to users in real time. It also comes with a 4K camera, a spotlight with strobe, a microphone and loudspeaker, and many unique systems to support its autonomy systems. If you want to check out the LEMUR 2 more, click the link down below. And now let's talk about advertising. In recent years, social media has been a dominant force for brands to market their products and services, just like how we use this YouTube channel to create educational and news-based drone videos for you all. Well, advertising has literally taken to the skies as Paris Hilton put on a drone light show over Santa Monica Pier to promote her brand. They used 500 drones to write the word "sliving land," which is a phrase associated with sliving, a catchphrase of Paris Hilton's. Fun fact, sliving is a mashup Hilton created, which combines the phrases slaying and living your best life. The company that helped them achieve this is 1111 Media, which is a media company co-owned by Hilton. They put on these drone light shows to help companies promote their brands, which not only draws attention to the live event, but also to the footage that is taken and shared after the event is over. This practice of using drones as digital advertising has been growing recently, and I, for one, am very interested to see where it goes. And finally, we're talking about Justin Bieber. Kind of. Any of my believers are gonna love this one, as Drone Racing League world champion Alex Vanover used his FPV drone to capture some insane footage for Justin Bieber's music video Hold On last year. After winning the world championship in 2019, an exciting opportunity came upon Alex, a chance to work with Justin Bieber. All of the footage was shot on the red Komodo, and as you can see, he got some pretty cool shots. And before we wrap up, here are some of the week's photo and video submissions to share with you all. All right, that's all we have for this week. As always, check out the links below to read more about each story. Also, show us some love by subscribing to our channel and liking this video. And now I'll pass it off to you. What do you think about BRINC's new drone? And what about drones being used for digital advertising? Comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. I hope you all have a great weekend, and to all of our drone pilots out there, blue skies and safe flying.